How to Fix Instagram Music Not Showing All Songs 2025 Update. Have you ever gone to add the perfect track to your Instagram story or reel only to find that the song is missing? Or you're stuck with a library of generic background music? It's a common frustration that can make your content feel flat. Today, I'm going to show you exactly why your Instagram music library is restricted and the 3 proven ways to fix it in 2025 so you can get back to using the trending hits you actually want. The reason you're seeing a limited music selection usually comes down to one of 3 things: your account type, regional licensing, or an app glitch. In this tutorial, we're going to walk through the account switch trick, the category hack, and the technical refresh to unlock the full global music library. Step 1. The account switch. Most people experiencing this are using a business account. Because of licensing laws, business accounts are often restricted to royalty-free music to avoid copyright issues. To fix this, go to your profile, tap the 3 lines in the top right, go to Settings and Privacy, then Account Type and Tools. Select Switch to Personal Account. Check your music, it should be fully restored instantly. Step 2. The Professional Category Adjustment. If you need to keep your professional dashboard for analytics, but still want the music, there is a middle ground. Instead of a personal account, switch to a creator account. Once you've done that, go to Edit Profile, tap Category, and search for Entrepreneur. For some reason, Instagram's 2025 algorithm grants entrepreneurs access to a wider music library than other business categories. Hit Save and restart the app. Step 3. The technical refresh. If you've switched accounts and it's still not working, it's likely a cache issue. First, check the App Store or Google Play Store to ensure Instagram is fully updated. If it is, try logging out and logging back in. If that fails, the most effective hard reset is to delete the app and reinstall it. This clears out regional metadata that might be sticking your library to a restricted version. Step 4. Check your region. If you are traveling or using a VPN, Instagram's music library will change based on where it thinks you are. Make sure your VPN is turned off, as many free VPN servers are located in regions where Instagram hasn't secured music licensing rights yet. Pro tip: if you find a trending song on someone else's reel that isn't showing up in your search, don't give up. Tap the moving music title at the bottom of their reel and hit Save Audio. Now, when you go to create your own reel, go to your Saved Music tab. This often bypasses search restrictions and lets you use tracks that your search bar says don't exist. Having the right soundtrack is half the battle on social media. If these steps helped you find your favorite tunes again, give this video a like and subscribe for more Instagram growth tips. Did the entrepreneur category trick work for you? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.